can do what you want to do. World is around you. I have got students all across the globe. I have got in Africa more number of students than this. I have got in Philippines more number of students than this. I have got in US many engineers who have gone from Hyderabad are my students whom I am guiding every day. So where is the time? Am I alone or I am not alone? I always have somebody. Yeah.
One more question to you.
Yeah.
What situation made you turn to motivate the students?
Because look at DrTPS TEDx lecture. TEDx. TEDx is the international standard lecture which I gave few years back in Guntur Vignan University where I used to come for lectures. So my TEDx lecture, I have given my life story. I was a very worst student, much more howling and naughty than all of you. And I have thrown out of a school being the worst student. I have gone back to the same school to give awards to all the best A+ students. So how did I change? That change is what I am trying to teach you now. It's not from theories and books. It is from my life I am teaching you. Got it? So I thought every one of you are good. If at all you are bad, you have a Shakuni sitting beside you. That is why you are bad. You are good or bad based on your friends. If you have good friends, you will be good. If you are bad, that means your friends are bad. Even when I asked you to come here, what you have done is you asked your neighbor. He said, don't go, yeah. So you listened to them. So you became bad. Assume that you have a friend who says, let us go. Both of you should have come here. I am seeing how are you reacting. So change your company or change them. That's what is it. That's what I did. Okay, good. We'll go back if you want to stand. No problem. Yeah.
My name is Nafis. I am from AML course of CSC in
See. Wow. Your name should go into everyone's heart.
I am Nafis. I am from.
Wait. Take a breath. Yeah.
I am from AMI course. This is from CSC branch. I am studying in Aishankara deemed to be university. I also have got a seat in NIT Pondicherry. I received it and coming to the Aishankara college because of my reason. It is a good university and giving more motivation to students and enhancing the more things and providing the students a good education and getting good placements in all the companies. So it is the best university I call it also.
So one question.
So my question is, sir, what is your favorite subject?
LIFE. That's my favorite subject. Life. And subject wise you want? Mathematics is my language. It's not a subject. Mathematics is called a language of every subject. Every mathematics person is also good in English because both languages mix together. Most of the mathematics teachers don't understand mathematics is a language. That is why they fail. A good mathematics teacher always understands mathematics is a language of all the other subjects. So I teach geography much better than most of the geography teachers because geography is full of mathematics. History is full of mathematics. Every subject you can learn with maths. So I love maths. Put it up. Come on, come fast.
My name is Babita. I am CSC AIDS student.
Take a breath up. Why are you in a hurry? My name is Babita. Look at them. Did they get your name?
My name is Babita. I am AIDS student. My question is, what is your bad experience in your life?
This class is a very bad experience. See, I don't remember my bad past. Always I remember good past. Even a bad experience becomes a good story for me to write a poetry. I am a good poet. One accident makes a story for me. So I wrote a poetry on the accident. That's why I write. My poetries are my accidents. My poetries are my bad days. There are a lot of things which happens. But that's not important. What is more important is make it creative, make it a learning, make it a better life, better practice. There are so many to tell. Correct? You want the worst experience?
Yes, sir.
I lost my father and sister in an accident on my birthday when I was 4 years old. Got it? So I made my life myself. What you are seeing me is a life made by myself. So a lot of bad experience in life. But all that doesn't matter. What I decided in my life is I will change. I will make my life better. There can be many bad experiences. This could be one of the worst. But I don't take it as worst or bad. I think, oh, I got a chance now. Got it? Come on.
I am Gayatri from CSC AML branch. Sir, my question is,
Again, sir. All of you can call sir, no problem. Keep your hands here. All of you keep your hands here. Your hand at your cheek. Keep all of you. Whenever you call sir, I have no problem. Take it far, take it fast, close to your face.
why
Again,
do
sir.
why do you choose this profession and why you start this college?
I didn't choose this college. Your chairman chosen me here. I have never applied here. My application is not there. My appointment order is also not there. I am here working, that's it. I keep flowing. I have written a philosophy of my life. Flow like a river. Repeat. Flow like a river. Grow like a tree. What's my philosophy? Flow like a river. Grow like a tree. If I get a better opportunity to flow somewhere, I will just flow. So I have done my different jobs in life. I am a government servant 20 years who never signed an attendance register, for your information. No attendance register. Because our office started with the TN session. You may not know, you ask your parents or grandparents. They know TN session. So I worked with the TN session. I worked with the Kalam. Alright. I worked with the Manmohan Singh. So I had a legendary people around me. I worked with the best. Probably I sat in classes like this where the Nobel laureate astrophysics man, Narlekar. Narlekar was my teacher. ECG Sudarshan was my teacher. So I had the opportunity to sit in classes of legendary people. Got it? So I am not living by doing a job, searching a job, came here. No, it's not my selection. I have been selected to work here. I am only seeing what best I can do, what changes I can make, what, if I am of some use to you, I am the happiest one. Okay?
One more question.
Ena kena prakarena, repeat. Ena kena prakarena, yasya kasyapi dehinaha, sandosham janayat pratna, Tadaivam Ishwara Pujanam. I don't go to temples. I am not gone to your Tirupati Devasthanam and all that. I am not a bhakta at all. I am only a person who is spiritually interested. If I am of some help to you, my life is great. That's what I believe. So I am only serving people. Madhava Seva is the greatest Seva.
One more question. Now you said about your bad experience. Now I am asking, what is the best memory in your life?
There are so many again. Can you imagine Prime Minister of India holding hands and his hand is like a Pomeranian dog? Soft. Who would be that Prime Minister? Whose hand is very soft? Manmohan Singh. He was holding his both hands were on my hand. And then he took me to his wife and said, see a gentleman from Kerala, you have to talk to him for some time. You understood? They're all great experience. A lot of people like that. Meeting TN Station first time was a great experience. Staying with Kalam, traveling with him was a great experience. NAL director was a great experience. So many of them.
I'm Dania, I'm from Chittoor. My branch is AIDS CSC first year. So what is the secret of your success?
I don't know whether I am successful, but I am happy. Success may not give you happiness. Now happy, earlier happy, tomorrow also happy is called bliss. What's it called? Bliss. I am a man of bliss. Sometimes people are happy, but tomorrow they become unhappy. Ayyo, I should not have done it. I am not like that. Every day I am happy. That makes me happy. Have you seen 3 Idiots movie? Yes? The theme is from my poetry. Millions of sperm from the father. Millions of sperm from the father get into the mother's egg. Only one sperm take birth, and that's me. That's my poetry. That is used in the. That is because Amir Khan's professor, who taught him in the institute, happens to my close friend, and I gifted my book to him. So he taught that in the class. So all of you raise your hands. All of you raise your hands. You are not belong to that. Raise your hands. Take it back and say well done. So what is the success of each one of us? Taking birth. How many of them failed? Your own unborn brothers and sisters. So life is a race. So what is the greatest success? Taking birth is a great success. Okay, that's what it is. Yeah.
Good morning to all. Good morning to all. I am M. Yurani. I am from.
Oh, you are Yuvarani. Yeah.
I am from CSC ADS. I belong to Venkatagiri. I have a small doubt, sir. My doubt is, how do you get knowledge?
How do you get knowledge? I told you quest, Q-U-E-S-T, quest, ChatGPT, AI. Keep talking. See, I'll tell you, I had a beautiful, great professor from Tiruchirappalli who was teaching us dynamics in my master's time. So he used to tell me, you don't know music? You speak about music. You don't know music? You speak about music. Somebody who knows music will come and tell you, you are wrong. Then you ask him, what is music? Then they will teach you. If you don't know anything, also speak. That was a great knowledge. So how do you get knowledge? Keeping quiet, nobody will give you knowledge. Do lot of mistakes. Keep talking, keep talking, keep talking. Somebody will talk you back. That is knowledge. You come, ma. Don't worry.
I am Jishita Lakshmi.
Huh?
I am Jishita Lakshmi. Jishita Lakshmi.
Okay.
My question.
Use the mic.
My question is to you: how to be a good engineer and what are the mistakes we do?
Mistakes we do? No, we don't do.
Students with me.
See, the biggest mistake is you only learn for examination. That is the one biggest mistake. Don't learn for exams. Learn for knowledge. And who is the best engineer and how do you learn engineering? Everything what you learn, if it is applied, it becomes engineering. If it is not applied, it becomes only knowledge, no skill. Skill is application. So every small thing you ask, how am I going to use it? Where am I going to use it? Use. If it is not used, all of you write, I am useless. What did you write? I am useless. All of you wrote what? I am useless. If use becomes past tense, what it will become? Used. So change that. I am useless. Anything which is used is called engineering. Understood? So you should start using you so that you become an engineer. Don't become useless, useless. Every moment. Nimisham, Jolitam, Sreyam, Natu, Dhumayitum Chiram. Don't become a smoke, become a fire. Don't live just like a smoke, live like a fire. Again?
Who's supposed to be in the stage, in the great stage?
Yeah?
Who supports you? Who supports you?
Who supports me? Students.
Students?
If nobody is there, you think I'll come and give speeches like this? Am I mad or what? Do you think the college is run by management? Do you think the college is run by vice chancellor, professors, teachers, security, bus? You are the people running the college. Are you getting? Who is the asset of the college? Students. You are the VVIPs. Students are the people who are the asset of the college. We are all servants of you. All teachers are your servants because their salary comes from what you pay. But servants have got a role to play. Set you right because you are not paying, your parents are paying. So we are answerable to your parents. Are you getting? So I am here because you are here. That's it. If you are not there, I am not there. That's it. Yeah. You wanted to come early. Come.
Good morning. I am Mohan Rupa from Kanigiri. So I ask you, after inter second year, stuck with a lot of students. We joined degree or engineering. Which profession is best?
Up to 12th class, if somebody asks me, a lot of people come and ask me, what should I do after 10th? Maths, physics, chemistry, biology, social science. I will tell them maths, physics, chemistry, biology. They will ask computer science, I think not required. Maths, physics, chemistry, biology. Because you learn up to that, you can learn every subject. After 12th, if somebody asks me, what should I learn? You like biology, go to AFMC, AIMS and medical science. If not, go to engineering. Again, they will ask me which subject. I will tell you, electrical, mechanical, civil, electronics, core engineering. Because all computer science students are not eligible for IES. They are not for engineering service because Indian government did not recognize all other branches as part of engineering. Army, Air Force, Navy, Space Department. I am a scientist from Space Department. We only prefer core engineering. But other people are also engineering. Today most of the computer science gets maximum job. So what gives you job? Computer science. What makes you an engineer? Electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil. From these branch, anytime you can jump into computer science and any other branches. All my best students, they were not from computer science, but they all did their masters in computer science. So BTech basic, then masters. But today everybody wants to specialize. ChatGPT is taught in 6th class now. You know this? AI is being taught in 6th class. So world is changing, so we should agree that's it. Now quantum computing is being taught, but no teachers are there. But still we are teaching. That is what government decides. So government has decided computer science is most important. So we should agree for that. That's it. I started my programming with a computer of CPU bigger than this in a punch card, 1984. Basic, COBOL, Pascal, all that I started. Then Fortran 77, Fortran 4 when I joined my research. Okay. So things change very fast. Basic engineering never changes. He was a civil engineer, basically. Right? Yeah. Done?
I am Ratika from AIDS branch. My question is, what is success for engineers and what is the basic knowledge required for engineers?
All BTech are supposed to be professionals. What is professional? You can start your business. Everybody looks for campus placement. Actually, that is very bad. you can start your job, that is more important. I think our university will have lot of activity programs by the time you reach 4th year, lot of entrepreneurship programs where will show you how to make. The same hall is a place of entrepreneurship. Adel gives innovation center, incubation center. All of you should have such programs. I conducted lot of tech first programs in different NIT Hamirpur I went. NIT Hamirpur Mechanical Engineering, I did a tech first program. So I'll tell you, engineers should have the ability to make. The word make is very important. So you must be a maker, not a seeker. Always I want job. Don't become a beggar. Become a giver. Beggar never become rich, giver only becomes rich. So all of you should become real engineers with the ability to start your own business. Okay, we will make you to fit that. Good enough? Come. Done, all of you?
Hi to everyone, my name is P. Vishnuvardhan. I am from CA.
CA, Chartered Accountant.
CA.
CI, okay.
I missed that.
Okay.
I want to apologize English teachers because my English is not that much.
His
well.
English is fantastic. Give him a big clap. See, all these people who are sitting, their English is worse than you. That's why they are not coming. So you are much better than all of them. You have the courage. I'll tell you, I took 8th grade children, 8th class children, because I was thrown out of a school from 8th class. I decided after from my Prime Minister's office straight, I went to a small village. Wanted to change the English ability for my students in 8th class. I took all of them to Goa. Which is the best place to learn English? Goa beach. You will see a lot of people from different parts of the world, they speak only English. So I took 45 girls, 45 boys, sent them to the beach, interview all the people and come back in the evening. Which language they will speak? English. So your English is not good, is not the problem. What you don't have is courage to speak English. You understood? Your English may not be good. Why am I standing and speaking here? I am not a master of English, but I have the courage to speak English. We use a lot of words which are wrong, actually wrong. I remember I was giving a lecture in a church in America. So we use the word, what is this? Generally, what is the word we use? Chapel. If you use the word chapel in America, they mistake it as chapel. You understood? Because for them, chapel is not an English word, it's only an Indian English. So by mistake, if you use words, becomes totally wrong. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you have to be very careful. What you should have is the courage to speak English, which you have. So don't ever say your English is bad. You say, I am good in English. Say.
I want to ask you.
Say all of them. I am good in English.
I am good in English.
Yeah. That should be the courage. Good boy. Love you.
I want to ask you about some geographical question.
Ask.
Before the 7 continents, there is a continent, Pangea. Why did they divide into 7 continents?
We have not divided. The earth itself is called a live earth. What is it called? Earth is a live earth. So you have 7 continents, all of them you connect together. You can see Africa, move it little up. India, you move it little up. America, you push it down. Australia, you put it down. All of them together become one island, which is called the Pangea. Okay? All of you don't understand? Go to the nearest temple. They will chant a sloka which has this Pangea in their chanting. They have Pangea in their chanting. The earth was a single life, single island, which got split into different pieces. Even India is called Indian plate. The upper portion is called the Europe-Asia plate, Eurasian plate. India plate goes and hits, and that is how Himalayas came, and that's how Sri Lanka got slightly went apart. Otherwise, Hanuman cannot jump. 16 lakhs years back when Hanuman jumped, it was only 58 feet away. But now it is so much kilometer away because the plate movements. It is called the plate movements. And after some time, again it is going to get collected. Wonderful question, because I am a geography man more than a mathematics man. I know geography much better than all these subjects. Good question. Okay. Brahmandana Madhye. Morning you go to a temple, ask him to chant full sloka. He will chant. Brahmandana Madhye. Jambudyube Bharatagande Bharatavarshe Mero Vai Dachine Parshve. That's how we say, and he will tell you Gundur, so and so place, so and so person has taken birth. He has come for doing puja. That's how your address is given to Bhagavan. In which all these Pangea is also mentioned. Okay. Good question. Wonderful. Love you. Any more?
Some personal question.
Yeah. Secret?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Did you do any miserable things in the college, sir?
In the
College. College life.
measurable means? Oh, I was so mischievous in the college. You wanted to know how mischievous I was, right? Unfortunately, my brother was a professor in the same college where I studied, so I couldn't do much. But sometimes he is on leave, I do a lot of mischief. But I'll tell you, most of the teachers, when they teach, I keep studying earlier and then come to class. When they do mischief in the board, I will tell them you are wrong. That was one of the biggest thing a student is not supposed to do. But I find those teachers are in my WhatsApp group even now. They remember me because I was so good to all of them. But not very bad mischief, but good mischief, which make people to remember me for lifelong. That's only what I did. Otherwise, college days I was a good boy. All people remember. School day I was not a good boy. But fortunately, the school where I studied happens to be my school. My family is the manager. So therefore nobody can scold me. I can go to headmaster and then sit on his lap. So he was appointed by my relatives only. All my brother was my social science teacher, my maths teacher was my brother, my English teacher was my brother, because school belongs to us. So I don't think they have considered it as a great mischief. I am the small boy, young boy. So they all enjoying me was their enjoyment actually. All my mischief was only a fun. It's a small village school, so it doesn't make any sense. So I don't think I have done a very, very harsh mistakes in my life. Luckily, I am not. Okay. So thank you so much. I know I have taken a lot of time. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want? Yeah, come here. You want it? You want a picture? Good enough? Come. Go, come. Yeah. Yes? Enough? Fast, brother. You are wasting brother. Yes? Good enough? Chalo. Yes? Yes, smile. A, repeat. How to smile, I will teach you now. A, repeat. A, B, C. Run back. Last person will get beaten up. Last person sitting will get beaten up. Run back. Run. If you become last person, I will beat you. Come, run. Again, it doesn't matter. He's from a true village, I think. He must be sent to Bombay to learn how to run. Allow him to travel by all the metro every day. So thank you so much. Enjoy your campus. Enjoyment doesn't mean howling and making noise. Enjoyment means which will never make you to say, oh, I should not have done in my life. I'll tell you enjoy now, but tomorrow you will say, oh, I should not have done. Finished. Your life become horrible tomorrow. Make your life today an investment so that tomorrow you can say, yeah, I've done well in my life. So thank you so much. I said 12 o'clock, it must be 12 now. Is it 12? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. See you. My number is 950. No, don't write down. Keep your 10 fingers up. Keep your 10 fingers up. I'll test your memory. All 10 fingers. All 10 fingers up. No pen, no book. 10 fingers up. I will tell you only once, not 2 times. In between, I will come and ask you what is my number. You will have to tell. Your brain has to work now. I will tell you my first 3 numbers. You repeat it internally, no sound. Next 2 numbers, though repeat all the 5 numbers. Then next number, repeat once. Enough, you will learn. Your brain is much more brilliant than you. You don't know how brilliant you are. I will show. 950 20 388 75. Now you have a doubt, ask your friend.